Yeah, man, 93, man. Gotta get the pumping pump. Man, niggas only putting 40 in this bitch. Fuck all that, it's a nice day too. Sun out and everything. Been there too, scats outside. Nigga, you know the vibes. Nigga, you know the fucking vibes, nigga. Shit, we putting 40 in this shit. I probably only got like 99 in this shit too. Dogs. We gonna hit you every little views when we get back after we get the shit pumping. Gang. Yeah, you know the nigga scats out. We outside, boss. Instead of fuck up, you hear it? I know you hear this shit. Yeah, we outside, nigga. And you caught him on smoke, nigga. We get smoke, nigga. I think you know, nigga. That wumble shit. Turn this weather on dogs. It's cold, but nigga, I'm still outside. We still outside. Everybody still outside. Boston, we still outside. One thing we do together, we pop out. We be showing out. Don't matter what car you in, nigga, we show the fuck out. Cause we outside, we on fucking, you know where we at. Got the mobile over there and shit. Got all type of shit on this side, man. You hear the everybody pop up with their new shit. But everybody be like, yo, shot a clock. Yeah, man. Man, you man, Boston, man, we outside, man. What's on this one, man? Boston, we outside, man. Just have to put gas in this schmeek. And I'm bumping, man. More videos coming soon and shit. Stay tuned. Bow, 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 bow. I have to blog for y'all, know what I'm saying? I told you I give y'all content. Bunch of content I could get. Content. Crazy, this bitch. Sliding through hunts. Just sliding and gliding. This bitch. No cap. Look at that shit right there, boy.
We gotta hook up, huh?
Yo, you need to start paying shit, man, with that dog.